So the first project that we tackled was the wall that you see behind us. In order to get access to the actual wall, we had to use an articulating boom lift that we had to place inside the lobby to go over top of the stairwell that runs along the wall.
The people at the top were lining it up, making sure that the panel's going straight, and the person at the bottom is just making sure it stays straight through the entire process of sticking it. Another factor of that is that the wall was also curved in itself, so it was very challenging to get a flat piece of vinyl to lay perfect around the entire curve. The whole process took about 2 days to complete.
I'd like to thank my entire team back at AP. There's really no limit to what we can do.